Reactor Rescue transports you into the world of Electra, where you take on the role of a space engineer in an adventure unlike any other. Electra's reactor is failing. A brave rescue squad sets course.
Engineering rescue unit inbound.
But before they can reach Electra, your spacecraft is down, your systems are wrecked, and the only way to fix them is to build them. Real wires, real circuits, real electronic components. Race against your fellow engineers to restore your spacecraft and resume your mission. Collect your resources, choose your circuit challenge. You have 2 minutes to wire it, test it, and prove it works. Wire it wrong, and you trigger a malfunction. But succeed, and your spacecraft comes back to life. One system at a time. A strategy board game with 138 circuit challenges where you build real circuits to repair your spacecraft and save Electra. Reactor Rescue, the ultimate engineering adventure for 1 to 4 players. Back Reactor Rescue on Kickstarter and answer the call to save Electra today.